Lonicera nitida Baggesen's Gold makes a wonderful, tight, ornate hedge, and at a time when box plants are getting these dreadful caterpillars and diseases, and you're thinking about what else to use as a neat clipped hedge, Lonicera nitida is certainly a very good choice. In the spring, this was an entirely neat, rounded bush, but 3 or 4 months on into July, it's grown 2 or 3 feet, and it's grown in a fairly haphazard fashion. This is how this plant grows, this hedging plant grows. So what we need to do now, we need to give it its second pruning for the year, and we need to turn it back into being a neat bush yet again. It won't grow much more this year, and come next spring it'll still look neat and tidy. You may just need to give it a little trim over, but this is the basic cut. This is the moment when you need to get it back looking something like it, and Jamie's been working hard getting it back into shape.